Hello everyone, I'm Olashubumi Okwelegbe of Elesha Jure. Today I'll be talking to you about gold. I know you love gold. A lot of women love gold. Guys love gold. Is a store of value. We use them to make jewelry to beautify you. There's so many things that make you love gold. Now, what is pure gold? I hear pure gold, 18 karat gold. Some people don't even know the difference between raw gold and 18 karat gold. They just ask me, they want gold. How much would this be? And I always ask them, what kind of gold do you want? Although I work with 18 karat gold, I want to know because sometimes you don't know the difference and you just know that gold is gold. So some people ask Italian gold, English gold, and they don't know the difference. That's what we'll be talking about today. The different types of gold and how they are named that way. Now let's get to it. Pure gold from the ground is 24 karat gold. 24 karat gold is represented as 999. 999 meaning 999 over 1000. That's what is represented as. 999 also means 99.9. Now, why is it represented as 999 instead of 1000? It is said that even at the purest form, there's still a little room for impurity. So the 0.1% out of the 100% is what we have given room for. That's how come 24 karat gold is 99.9%. Now let's get to 22 karat gold. 22 karat gold is 24 karat gold mixed with an amount of alloy to make the 24 karat gold a little bit harder. Why do we add another metal into our 24 karat gold? That is because 24 karat gold is too soft for most jewelry pieces, most times to make jewelry pieces. So we need to add a bit of alloy to it. Now there should be a proportion to give it a particular percentage of carat. Now to give it the character it is. Now, the percentage of alloy that will add into our 24 karat gold is what will determine the character of alloy, the character of gold that we have. I hope you get that. Now, what is 22 karat gold? 916, meaning that 916 out of 1000 is pure gold, while 8.4 is not gold. Is another alloy or another mixture of metal. Alloy means metal. So let's look at it this way. 91.6% of your jewelry has 24 karat gold, while the remaining 8.4% is just the alloy that is added to it to adding up the metal. A lot of pieces that you see are a mixture of alloy. They're lower carat from the 24 karat that is from the ground. Why is that? Just to make it beautiful and work hardened enough for you to be able to work with. Now, there are different carats of gold. The 22 karat we've talked about is used in a lot of countries, a few countries rather, like not Dubai, Saudi Arabia. That's how come you hear some gold, the Saudi gold, and it's quite more yellow than the other ones that you see, the 18 karat you see. That's because the purest form of gold, which is 24 karat, is very yellow from the ground. When you mix your alloy with it, you still have a large proportion, which is 91.6%, that is still yellow, which is your 22 karat gold. Now, what is 18 karat gold? 18 karat gold is 750, which is the same thing we're talking about. The portion of the 1000 that is 24 karat is 750. These numbers are numbers you see in your jewelry to help you know the character of gold your jewelry is. 750 means 75% of pure gold. That's raw gold. 25% of of your jewelry is actually the 24 karat gold found in the ground. The remaining 25% is alloy. Now, that's 18 karat. 18 karat is used in majorly Italy and Dubai. So what's the difference between Dubai gold and Italy gold? Dubai gold is gold you buy from Italy. Italy gold is gold you buy. Dubai gold is gold you buy from Dubai. Italy gold is gold you buy from Italy. It's that simple. Now, the difference is just the alloy that is used to mix your pure gold when you want to make the jewelry. That is all. The quality of alloy used is what will determine the quality of the 18 karat gold that you are going to have. Now, the it's known that Italian gold is high carat and all that, but it, as I've explained to you, design, the technique of the design, the workmanship, and everything is what makes it a bit higher than the regular Dubai gold. It doesn't mean that the 18 karat is expensive or it has more gold than the 18 karat in other countries. It's the alloy that is different. Now let's move to 14 karat gold. 14 karat gold is majorly used in the United States. 14 karat gold is 583. Like we've said before, changing that to percentage, that's 58.3%. 58.3% is 24 karat gold, while the remaining is alloy. 10 karat gold, which is 417, is also used in America. 417 is 41.7%. The remaining part, which is more than half of what you have, is alloy. Do you understand? 41.7 is less than 50%. So that is your 10 karat. Now, 9 karat. 9 karat gold is 31.5%. That is 375. That is what is majorly used in UK. UK has a lot of English gold that is 30 that is 9 karat. Now, this 9 karat gold is not doesn't mean that that is the only karat of gold that is used in the country. But when people say English gold and it's not so expensive, this is what they refer to because it is in the UK that you find 9 carats. In the US, the least amount of gold that they use is 10 karat, 10 10 karat gold. Now, you also find 18 karat gold in the US, in the UK, or in the US, anywhere, but it's just important that you know what you're buying. These numbers that I've called are the numbers that you find in your jewelry to know what karat of gold that you have or that you want to buy. Now, let me repeat that. Let me repeat everything. 24 karat gold is 999. 22 karat gold is 916, 18 karat gold is 750, 14 karat gold is 583, 10 karat gold is 417, and 9 karat gold is 375. Those are the numbers you'll find in your jewelry pieces, just for you to identify the carat of gold that you have. Now, let's get to white gold, rose gold, yellow gold. What is the difference? I get this a lot. Is my white gold really white gold? I won't be sure of that. I don't know. How do you know if it's real gold? Check the stamp that you have on it. Then you know at least to an extent. There are also some tests that you can take to your local goldsmith or take to um just take to people that know about jewelry pieces that can help you find out. But first, the main thing is to check the stamp that is written on it. Now, what is white gold? Let's take it from 18 karat gold. You know, that is what I use majorly. So I'll use that as as explanation. 18 karat gold is 95% pure gold and 25% alloy. Now, the type of alloy that you mix with your gold when you are when you're making it is what will determine if it will come out as white gold or as rose gold. Adding your alloy will change the color and the character of, will bring down the character of your gold. 24 karat gold is the highest form and it comes out as yellow. When you're mixing white gold, 75% which is yellow and 25% which is an alloy that you mix together will give you a color that is not so yellow. It's like grayish form. But when you finish your jewelry, there's something that is done on it, which is called plating. That plating gives it the bright shine that becomes your white gold. Now, your gold is still 18 karat. The rhodium plating that is done on it gives you that white look that is white gold. That is 18 karat white gold. Remember, I said the alloy that is mixed with it is what will give you the grayish look. If you haven't added alloy that will make it white gold in the first place, and you finish your piece as yellow gold, some people, which is not the right thing, go ahead to do a rhodium plating on a yellow gold jewelry to give you that white look. That white look, after a while, fades off and it becomes yellow. That is why some people say my white gold has changed to yellow gold, and they think that the piece has actually faded, or they think that it is fake. No, it hasn't changed the fact that it is yellow gold. It might just be that it was rhodium plated. This same explanation goes to rose gold. Sometimes it changes, it depends on the plating that was done on it. It hasn't changed the quality, it's still the 18 karat gold it is. Now, how do you really know what you have? One thing I always tell everyone, remember to always buy from a reputable jeweler or jewelry company. Most times, people buy from a lot of people that don't know about jewelry and cannot explain what exactly they have, and then it becomes you're not sure of what you have, and you think that you're buying something that is less than what you are bargained for. So remember to buy from a reputable company or a reputable jeweler. Check the stamps on it, the number of the carat that you have on it. Sometimes you see the carat as 22 carat, or you see 916, it means the same thing. Or you see 18 carat, or you see 750, it also means the same thing. So those are the first checks that you can do to your jewelry pieces. Next, there are some chemicals that we use. There are some machines that jewelers use now to test for your gold, but most people do not have that because it's not really readily available to everyone. But you can go to the nearest jeweler or a company that you know that's reputable to help you check your jewelry piece. It will be the same card everywhere you go to. If you bring gold to someone to test for you in Nigeria and they say that is 18 karat gold, when you take it to another country, it's going to be the same karat of gold. So I hope you enjoyed the class today. Thank you.